Let's learn about cardinal numbers. What are cardinal numbers? We use cardinal numbers to count things. We will focus on the cardinal numbers from 1 to 20. We use digits 1, 2, 3, and so on, and words 1, 2, 3, and so on. We say the digits and the words exactly the same way. We will learn both versions in this video. Let's start. What is the word for 1? 1. What is the word for 2? 2. What is the word for 3? 3. What is the word for 4? 4. What is the word for 5? 5. What is the word for 6? 6. What is the word for 7? 7. What is the word for 8? 8. What is the word for 9? 9. What is the word for 10? 10. Let's move on to the numbers from 11 to 20. What is the word for 11? 11. What is the word for 12? 12. What is the word for 13? 13. What is the word for 14? 14. What is the word for 15? 15. What is the word for 16? 16. What is the word for 17? 17. What is the word for 18? 18. What is the word for 19? 19. What is the word for 20? 20. There you have it. The cardinal numbers between 1 and 20 in digits and words.